back to my channel!
So today we are here at the Righi Park, close to the city of Genova. And why we are here?
Well, we're going to do a really long trekking. Well, for it's going to be long, and we're going to visit the castles around, and these castles used to protect Genova city.
So now it's time to walk!
Let's go!
Let's discover the Cindy trekking outfit, and then
Here's the outfit of Carlo. Is it good for trekking? Just write in the comment down below.
let's go!
Guys, we've just started our trekking and look what's in my hand. Well, this is the typical breakfast in Genova, and this is a plain focaccia that normally the people in Genova eat with cappuccino. Something strange, salty and sweet, but I'm just going to eat the plain focaccia alone. Very good.
And we need to say that here in Genova they don't eat the focaccia only for breakfast, but they eat every time whenever they want. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Snacks.
And now we are close to the first fortress that we will visit today, and maybe one of the most important for the defensive of Genoa. Forte Sperone.
The fortress has been present since 1300. At that time it was built in wood and was called Bastia del Peralto. Then it subsequently had two reconstructions, the first one in 1530 and the second one in 1747, during the wars against the Austrian Empire.
So, unfortunately, we haven't been able to enter in the first fortress. Let's go to see if we'll be able to enter in the next one.
And now we are at the back of the second fortress, the Buin Castle.
The fortress was built in 1800, but it was already abandoned since the last decade of the 19th century. Subsequently, in 1963, a concession was requested by a private doctor, Fausto Parodi, who, after having restored it at his own expense, lived there for about 20 years. Despite the fact that the fortress is now totally abandoned, it is still in good condition. Unfortunately, we couldn't visit it, but it was a great place to have some rest and admire the breathtaking view.
Now we are in front of the Fratello Minore fortress. And to enter inside in the ancient time there was a bridge. But unfortunately now there isn't anymore. So, what we can do to enter inside? Let's go to hike. I conquer the fortress!